Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Heck yesterday informed that a 32 crore veterinary hospital will soon be constructed at Upper Shillong. In this facility, different kinds of animals will get necessary treatment. The project, which will be constructed under PM Divine project, has been already cleared by the state-level empowered committee. The DPR for the project has been completed and it has been cleared by the state-level empowered committee. There are no land issues since the veterinary department has its own land at 7th Mile on the outskirts of the city.
Now it is there to already clear, I think, the state-level empowered committee, SLEC empowered committee, and the scheme will be proposed from the PM Divine. Once all the formality is completed from the state government, from the planning, and we are going to pursue with the PM Divine Prime Minister Office to get the sanction through for the phase 1, that is for the 32 CR.